In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. At 9:15, previous day sell call followed, but right now a buy call generated, green color candle open. Today it's Monday market, February 26. Right now the time is 12:58. Buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Where to take the entry, target, like those entries you will get in live market. You can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. For chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today, the first fresh call is this buy call generated. The call generated at 46,732. That straight white line from green candle. That is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So, from 732 to 849. Like this, whenever market breakout happen, whenever the trend changes, you will immediately get these calls like a signal. So right now market moved in the upper side direction. So upper side breakout, this buy call generator. So let's wait and see how it break out. In 15 minutes of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this, today call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp.